A major U.S. steel products manufacturer needed to scale hiring fast, across multiple locations with limited internal resources. They needed a partner who could deliver, so they turned to HuemanRPO. Hueman deployed a dedicated recruiting team, including an on-site resource to manage candidate testing and keep the process moving. The results speak for themselves. 236 total hires completed in just 1 year. An interview-to-offer ratio of over 80%. And a 100% offer-to-acceptance rate. Beyond filling roles, Hueman built a pre-qualified pipeline of entry-level maintenance candidates, positioning the company for long-term sustainable growth. When your internal resources can't keep up, HuemanRPO can. Visit HuemanRPO.com.